A very good morning, students. Today we are going to continue with the chapter Forms of Market Structure. The topic for today is Monopoly Market and the features of Monopoly Market. So, the term monopoly is derived from two Greek words, namely mono and polis. Okay, mono means single. So, monopoly is a market where there is only one seller. He is the sole seller of the product and he has the overall control over the market. So, monopoly is a market structure in which there exists only a single seller of the product which has no close substitutes. For example, Indian Railways have monopoly over railway services in India. In the same way, the State Electricity Board has the full control over electricity in a particular state. Coming to features of monopoly market, the first feature is single seller. Monopoly market is a market where there is only one seller, and because he is the only one seller, he has the full control over the market. The product does not have any substitute. He only sell that product or he only give that particular service. So he is one seller, sole seller, and he has the full control over the market. Absence of close substitutes. In case of monopoly, there are no close substitutes of that particular product. This is why the producer becomes a price maker. The meaning of price maker is because he is the single seller and there is no close substitute of that product, he can set his own price. The seller can decide the price at which he is going to sell the product. Closed entry. This market has a feature that the entry for other firms is totally closed. There are barriers to entry. No other firm can enter into a monopoly market. And the government exercises this closed entry with the features like patent right, copyright, government laws. Okay. Price maker. I explained this point earlier also. In a monopoly market, there is only one seller and he has the overall control over the market. He can decide at what price he is going to sell the product. Because he is the sole producer of the product, he has the full control and he decides the price. So he becomes a price maker. Last point is possibility of price discrimination. Price discrimination refers to a situation where a producer sells the same product at different prices to two different buyers. For example, Indian Railway charges lower freight charges for transporting essential product and they charge higher for other kind of product. In the same way, the electricity board, they charge cheap electricity charges for agriculture use. But if you are using the electricity for your domestic purpose, the charges would be different. So the State Electricity Board gives a cheaper electricity facility for agriculture use to the farmers, but in case of domestic use, they charge higher prices. So this is the example of price discrimination. This is all about monopoly. The various features of monopoly are single seller, absence of close substitutes, closed entry, price maker, and possibility of price discrimination.